If you're in drumline, you've probably played exercises called 8 on a hand or 8-8-16. And these are exercises that help us develop a sense of timing, coordination, and approach to the instrument. And even though these are simple exercises, drum lines will still play things like this dirty because there are small errors happening from individual players. One of those errors happens in the hand transfers. When performers play from one hand to the next, there's a small gap or timing error that happens in that transfer. One way to fix this is called hand transfer threading, where you play double stops in the last beat and the first beat of each new phrase. In the exercise 8-8-16, you are playing 8 beats and 8 beats and then 16 beats, which would be counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. You would play double stops 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 8 and 1 and. So every time you have a last beat of a phrase and a first beat of a phrase, the last 2 eighth notes and the first 2 eighth notes, you would play double stops. Here's an example of that. Once you're comfortable with this, take the double stops out, but still subdivide just as much between those beats. That way you have a seamless transfer of rhythm and sound quality between the hands. All right, try this out, tag us in your progress videos, and have fun getting better. This is Mark Perrett with Gridbook Percussion, signing out. Peace! Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Because there are small error. There are small error. One of those errors happens in the. Oh my God.